Indrajit, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good now, and
You good
I
now? You weren't good
yeah
before?
no. Yeah, I was little bit stressed before, and now all exams are over. Now I am happy mood.
Now you're chill. Okay,
Yeah,
okay. How did your yesterday's 8 p.m. one go?
yeah. The exam is quite harder comparatively the previous exams.
Okay. What was hard about it? What was the thing that you found it was hard?
Some typical questions uh, on the especially the equation math problems
Okay,
are quite are quite hard. Math problems are quite hard.
okay. All right. First of all, I would say that your exam is over, right? They are over.
Yeah.
This exam
Yes, yes.
happened yesterday. Okay? So
Oh,
you have to use the past tense. Like
okay,
you said,
okay.
the
Past tense.
exam is quite harder previous one, which is the wrong sentence. You have to say the
Okay.
exam was
Where
a little harder.
was?
Okay, or
Okay.
just the
Little
exam was
harder.
harder than the previous one. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Then again, you said math problems are quite hard. Then again, you have to
Hmm.
use the past tense,
Oh,
which
then I
already
have to
happened.
use past tense. Okay, okay.
The math problems were quite hard.
Okay. Work quite hard.
Yes. All right. Okay.
Yes.
So, what did you do in your entire day today now that your exams were over? So, was there any change in your schedule?
Uh, in my not any. Just slept all the day.
You you slept all day.
All day means most of the times.
Most of the day you slept.
Yes, most of
Okay.
the day.
And if you were not sleeping, what did you do?
Uh, Generally, I watch any movie, any online movie, or uh, because I have no equipments of painting, so that's why can't paint because yeah I'm in Vellore, so that's why I can't paint now right now. But on the other hand, if I stay in my room, then I definitely paint something.
You're a painter as well. You paint also.
Oh, yeah.
You're
Can
you're
I?
an artist. Oh my god, you're
Oh,
an
sorry. I do not say about this because it is my hobby. It is my hobby, painting.
so what? It's your hobby, but you paint also, right? It's your hobby, but still you paint.
Yeah, I whenever I have free time, I paint sometime.
What all talents do you have? First, please
No.
make a list, and let me know all your talents. Okay. First of all,
No. Actually,
I
yeah,
want to know.
my I especially I use watercolor to paint,
Okay.
and especially sceneries like urban and also rural.
Okay. So how many paintings you would have drawn by now?
Uh, by now,
A rough number.
yeah, rough number. I paint roughly a lot of paintings, but in the sense of good and also uh, well painting, then 20 maybe 20.
20 paintings you've already painted.
Yeah. Those are presentable because and also those are
Okay.
yeah, those are complete.
Okay. So 20 paintings are in the category that you have put into a category that these are presentable. You
Yeah,
can show it to people.
presentable
Yeah.
and yes, and also I shared those paintings to my family members and friends, and they appreciated me. That is the happiness.
That is lovely. Okay. If I talk about the paintings which are not presentable, how many of those do you have?
Uh, how many not presentable? Oh,
Yes. The
maybe
paintings that you
countless.
have drawn.
Yeah, actually, actually, I love painting from my childhood. So I lost my I lost my previous uh, art art notebook when I learned, and when I went to art school and learned, then I
Okay.
lost it. But now maybe over I those are countless. I I really don't know.
Okay, those are countless. You have countless number of paintings which are like your rough diagrams, and you
Yeah,
think they
rough.
are not presentable.
Sometimes, yeah,
Okay.
sometimes I'm not able to finish it,
Mm-hmm.
or
So you leave it
sometimes I
halfway only? Sometimes when you're not able
yeah,
to finish those paintings, you leave them halfway?
yeah. And
Okay.
also nowadays, nowadays my sister is in the way to complete this, because my sister has a passion for
Towards
painting.
painting. Okay.
Yeah, towards painting.
All
Yeah.
right. So
So
she'll
that
be completing your painting.
yeah, and also she's learning art from an art school.
Oh, wow, wow. That is so nice. So you have made an outline for her, right? You've made a rough
uh,
sketch for her,
yeah,
and now it's
I
her job to
sometimes
complete it.
yes, sometimes I guide her. And my family intention is that i- according to, besides your study, you can uh, learn something new, and also you can learn something as a hobby, like
Okay.
painting, swimming.
But you cannot make these your primary career. That's what they think.
No, actually, uh, I yeah, you know that painting is I am not a good painter, and also a great painter to achieve uh, that level, to for from our a lot of earning. So that's why I do not
Right.
go for that. But I whenever I have free time, I definitely paint.
You definitely paint. Wow, that is so nice. I don't have such hobbies. I don't actually. But
Oh,
I do see myself as a very creative person. So if you give me like a bunch of papers which are like half cut and they are like useless,
oh
so
wow.
I will be able
Okay,
to create
okay.
something out of it. So I
Wow. So
consider myself as a very creative person.
ah,
But
oh
I don't
wow,
know. That
great,
is
great.
creative for me. It might happen that it might not be
Yes,
creative for
yes.
you. You'll still think
No,
that no,
no. Yeah, everything. Yeah. And also, oh, so you like origami?
I would say that, but I've never really, there is this origami kit that comes. There is
Okay,
this
okay.
origami kit. I've seen people use it, but I myself haven't tried it ever. So I don't know how exactly it is used. But if you can
Oh,
imagine those handmade cards, the cards for occasions and everything. So I'm into that sort of stuff.
okay.
So I really like to do all
Wow.
these
So
things.
nice, nice. I want to say that nice job, nice
Thank you,
hobby.
thank you. Okay. All right. So in Indrajit, you said one line. I slept all the day, which is wrong.
Hmm.
You can just say I slept all day.
Oh, I slept all
Okay,
day.
slept
Okay,
all day.
okay.
Yes. Next is I asked you what did you do if you were not sleeping? What did you do in your free time when you were not sleeping? So at that time you said generally I watch a movie. Are you talking about every day or just today?
Uh, yeah, just today, if I stay in
Just
my
today.
home.
Yes. So you cannot add generally because you're talking about just one day today.
Oh,
So you just have to say
okay.
if I was not sleeping, I was watching a movie.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So this sentence that you said generally I watch a movie. If you have to say this in your everyday routine, that when I'm not sleeping or studying, generally I watch a movie, then it is correct. But if you're
Okay.
talking just about
Okay.
today,
I
it has to be when I was not sleeping, I was watching a movie.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
And
Yes, yes.
then for painting part, you said I don't have equipment. You don't need equipment for painting. You need tools for painting. Okay.
Oh,
Tools.
okay, okay.
So you can say I
Yes,
don't
yes.
have the right tools
Tools.
for painting.
Okay. Right now.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, yes.
Next is
Thank you.
shared to my family. You share with your family. Okay, I shared this
Oh,
stuff
share
with
with.
my family. Okay,
Okay, with my phone.
and
Okay.
you said that I am very fond of painting from my childhood. So replace from with since. I'm fond of painting since my childhood.
Oh, since my childhood.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Very common mistakes, and these are like, these are wrong, but still while talking it's like you're not focusing on these
Yeah,
terms. That is why it happens.
exactly. Yeah.
Yes,
Hmm.
yes, yes. That's okay, that's all right. Okay, what else do you like to do besides
On the
painting,
other hand,
studying?
I I want to. I wish if I could hiking, then I definitely do that.
If
If
I
I get
could
a
go
chance,
for hiking.
go for hiking, then I
Oh, you like
definitely.
hiking? Okay.
Yeah, yeah. But I never try. But it is my like a dream. It is dream to hike.
Okay. What else is your dream?
Actually, I see a lot of people who are fond of hiking, and also hiking. Maybe it is really good for health if you can do that. On the other hand, mm, hiking is um, hiking
It's a
makes
fun
me,
activity. It's a fun
yeah, fun
activity, right?
activity. Yeah, yeah, fun activity. Yeah,
Right, right.
it gives me, it will give me a lot of pleasure.
Okay. If you go for hiking, it will give you a lot of pleasure. All right. So you
Yeah,
should try
I
it
think
sometime. You should
yeah,
definitely try
definitely,
it.
definitely. Yes, yes, yes.
But
And
I want to
also,
ask you, what are the fun adventure things that you have done in your life? Like very, like scary
uh,
things when it comes to like
scary thing. Yeah,
hiking,
I want to
trekking.
share. Yeah, I want to share a funny scary thing that if you, when you know it, you you think that I am fool, but not I actually I want to say that I was young, I was very young then.
Okay.
um, I uh, my family members were not in my room. They, I think they went to shopping or anything, I can't remember right now. But one day I just wrapped a paper and throw in front of me. Then I, after few seconds, I watched that the paper pulp was uh, increasing, was enhancing. Then I just
Okay.
I thought that how it is, it was happening. Then I was so scared and I rushed away from that room. Then I
Okay.
discussed with my family members and they said that they, first of all, they laughed out, and then they said that it was happening because of the ventilation of air. So that's why air is can you understand? Okay, yo.
Now I got it. Even I was scared, sitting here that what exactly happened at that time.
Yes, yes.
Okay, now.
Yeah, nobody was present in my room. And also before, on that day, I heard a ghost story from my grandmother. So
Oh,
something was roaming about me. Yeah,
so that ghost
that's why.
story, it actually settled in your subconscious and you started relating that
Yes,
thing to
yes.
every other thing
Yeah,
that was happening.
I think that it is like, it was like a paranormal activity. So I just rushed away.
Oh, that is why I don't watch horror movies. This is the
Oh
exact reason I
yeah.
don't watch horror
Okay.
movies. I stay away from
Yeah.
horror movies because it is.
It it always stay in my subconscious mind
Yes,
that
yes.
whatever.
This
Yes,
was
yes.
a fact. I heard it somewhere, maybe on the
Hmm.
internet or somewhere it was written that it is difficult to forget the horrific memories that you go through. Okay, like the horror
Okay.
movies that you've watched. And if you've watched that horror movie, let's take an example. You've watched it today morning. Okay, you watched it
Mhm.
in the morning today. Okay,
Okay.
and it was just like 1 hour movie, and it was very scary. Okay, and
Oh.
to forget that experience, you watch something else. You start watching a comedy movie or a
Hmm.
pleasant movie or a rom com, whatever it was. That one
Hmm.
hour movie you watched, right? And the entire day you were watching some other movie, entire day, just to forget that horror story. So, okay,
Hmm.
it is done, the day has passed. But now, when you're going to sleep or when your subconscious is actually active, you go into your deep sleep, I would say, At that time,
Yes.
that 1 hour of horror movies will be more present in
Yes,
your
yes,
mind than
yes.
the
Actually.
entire day of
Yeah.
watching comedy movies. The
Hmm.
fact.
Yes, yes.
It
Exactly,
was actually
exactly,
so
exactly.
true. It is so true. I actually, I read a lot about this thing. It was actually true that 1 hour of that horror movie will be present with you more, in a longer time as compared to the things that you've watched which are comedy and
Hmm.
rom-com genre. This has actually happened and it is so true.
Yes, yes. And yeah,
That is why.
can you share that why why it is happening that only particular that movie uh, stays?
Horror. Horror you're
Yeah,
talking
yeah.
about.
Oh,
Because it
yes,
is
yes.
said that the horror movies, they're like, they are scary for you. They're scary for you.
Hmm.
So they kind of releases hormones in your body, which like it actually triggers your memory. I don't know the exact
Okay.
procedure. The thing is, it triggers
Hmm.
your memory, and your memory actually gets wrapped around those events or those scenes in the
Okay.
movie. Okay,
Yes,
so
yes,
when
yes.
you're alone and when you're not doing anything, so your mind actually wanders off into that direction, and you start to recall all those incidents back. So
Oh,
this is
okay.
what
So,
happens, and every now and then it's like, okay, something is
exactly.
moving, something is moving. So these are the things you
Yes,
start to
yes.
relate.
Truly, truly. Yes, true, true.
It actually happens, and when I'm alone, I don't know why, but all these memories of horror movies they start coming back. No matter how much friends I've watched the entire day, that horror movie will be like a gold memory in my mind. Gold one.
True, true.
That's why I have restricted myself from watching horror movies at all times. I don't watch horror movies.
Oh, wow. Great, great,
Okay.
great.
Anyway, you described me this incident, okay? So you have described it to me in the present tense, which should be again in the past tense.
Okay. Oh,
Okay. You said when
okay.
you know it,
Oh, when,
something like
okay.
when you
When
know it,
I,
you said, when, yes, you were telling about me that you were telling me that when I tell you this incident, and when you know
mm,
it, you will think of me as a fool. This was your sentence, right?
yes.
So you have to, instead of this, you can say, when I'll tell you about it, or when you get to know about it, you'll think of me as a fool.
Okay, get to
Better,
know
a
about it.
better
Okay.
sentence. Okay, so Indrajit, we are coming to the end of this session.
Oh,
All right,
okay.
so I'm going to say that I've corrected you with the mistakes that you've made in
Yes,
this
yes.
session. All right, so if you
Mm.
don't have any doubts or if you don't have to ask anything, then we'll wrap up.
Okay. So time is running out. So
Yes,
this
it
was
is.
really lovely to meet you again, and
Again,
hope
again,
you
lovely.
stay safe, stay
You too,
healthy.
you too. Your exams are over. You're free now.
Yeah,
Watch
yeah,
a lot of
yeah,
movies, a lot of series. Okay.
yeah. Maybe I have
Okay.
to
I'll see you
watch.
next time.
Yeah. See you soon. Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Yeah.